Hi. So in the last two videos, we have completed the calendars. In this video, we can see from type number 6 onwards. The type number 6 is different date, different month, and then different years. So in type number 6, all are different. So for answering this type number 6, you must be thorough with type number 1 to 5. For example, a different date, different month, and different years. Now the question, for example, 5, 6, 2003 is Monday. Then what is 10, 10, 2010? Okay. So everything is different. Different dates are given, different months are given, and different years are given. So what we want to do means first we need to find the same date, the same month for the future years. We know how to do it. For example, we know how to find 5th June of the given year is for 2010. So I'm going to find same date, same month for the future years by using type number 1. So type number 2. Already we know how to use this type number 2. Same date, same month in the future years. So subtracting this to 10 minus 3 is 7. In between we are having 2004 is one leap year, 2008 is a second leap year. So already 2 leap years are there. So 9. We need to add 9. Instead of adding 9, I can add 2 because 9 can be written as what? 7 plus 2. The 7 is what? Monday plus 7 is the same Monday, so we can ignore the 7. Only we can take only 2. Monday plus 2 means what? It's Tuesday and Wednesday. So this is Wednesday. So now this reference day is no longer relevant. We can ignore it. We can take this is the reference date. So we got the new reference date. Now see this different date, different month, same year. Different date, different month, same year. So it comes under what? Type number 5. Type number 5. So how to do it? Type number 5. We need to know the number of remaining days in the given month. In June month, totally we'll be having 30 days. In that, 5 has got over, the remaining are 25. In July, we'll be having 31. In August, we'll be having 31. In September, 30. And they're asking us to find October 10th. Okay. So here so we can find the number of odd days. 25 means what? There will be 3 weeks and remainder 4 days. 31 means there will be 4 weeks and remainder 3 days. That means 25. How to write 21 plus 4? Because 7th multiple we can ignore it, just plus 4. Same 31 means what? 28 plus 4, 28 plus 3. So we can ignore this 28, just 3. So multiple of 7 can be ignored. Again, this 3, here it is 2, and here it is for 3. Addition of these values 7, 10, 15. 15 means what? There will be 2 weeks, a reminder 1. Okay, 2 weeks, a reminder 1. So we are going future. From June, we are going to October. From the reference day of June, we are going to October. So we are going future. We are moving forward. So add the value, add the reminder. Wednesday plus 1 is what? Thursday. So this answer is Thursday. So for answering type number 6, we must be thorough with all the 5 types from 1 to 5. Now, 7th type, reusability of calendar. The same calendar, whether we can reuse it or not. Type number 7. Okay. So reusability of calendar, we must be thorough with these numbers. Plus or minus 11, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 28. These two numbers, the 11 and 6, this is used for ordinary years. And this number is used for leap years. Okay. I'll give you example situations. For example, 2015. This is an ordinary year. Okay. Whether when we can use this 2015 calendar again in future. So using calendar means what? We want to use the entire calendar from January 1 to 31st of the December. We can able to use it or not. So when we can use the same calendar without changing date and days from January 1 to December 31. So that is what reusability of calendar. 2015 calendar is an ordinary year. So what do you want to do? Just add 11. So if they ask in future, when they can ask means add 11. If they ask in past, when it was used means you want to subtract 11. Now we can find in future. 2015 plus 11 is what? 2026. So now you want to check whether this is an ordinary year or leap year. If this is an ordinary year, yes, we can use 2015 calendar in 2026. You can check this. You can cross check it. by using the calendar or your mobile, by using your mobile. 2015 calendar will be same as 2026. Okay, so ordinary year plus 11, if it gives ordinary year, we can use the 2015 calendar in 2026. 2000, it's like this. 2013 calendar, this is an ordinary year, right? 2013 is ordinary year. When it was used in past, they are asking in past. When it was used means minus 11. So 2002 is the answer. So this is also what ordinary year. So ordinary year minus 11. If it gives ordinary year, we can use the calendar. 2002 calendar and 2013 calendar both are what? Same calendar. Now a different situation. Now see this 2013 calendar. Okay, this is ordinary year. When it will be used in future? Okay, they're asking when it will be used in future. So we will do what? Addition of 11. So 2013 is ordinary year plus 11. My answer is what? 2024. What this year? This year is called a leap year. This is the ordinary year and this is the leap year. So we can't use 2013 calendar in 2024 because this is a leap year. So what do you want to do in this kind of situations? Only in this kind of situations. That is ordinary year plus 11. If it gives leap year, instead of adding 11, you must add 6. Only in this situation, instead of adding 11, you must add 6. So 2019. So ordinary year, again we are getting what? Ordinary year. So 2013 calendar can be used in 2019. Very, very important. Ordinary year plus 11, if it gives leap year, then instead of adding 11, you must add 6. The same way, 2015 calendar, it's an ordinary year. When it was used, if the question asked when it was used means minus 11, 2004. It's a leap year. So we can't use 2015 calendar in 2004 because this is a leap year and this is the ordinary year. Ordinary year plus or minus 11, if it gives leap year as the answer, then instead of subtracting 11, you must subtract what? 6. 2009. So ordinary year, ordinary year. So very, very important. What you want to keep in your mind means 11 and 6 for ordinary years, for adding and subtracting with ordinary years. But this 11 and 6 not an alternate number. You should not use 11 and 6 both the time. First you want to start with 11. Very, very important. First you want to start with 11. Only if you get ordinary as the answer, no problem. If you get leap year as the answer, like here, if you get leap year as the answer, then instead of adding or subtracting 11, you must use 6. Only in that situation you must use 6. And 28. 28 is for leap year. For example, 2020. This is our leap year. So this is our leap year. Present year leap years plus 28. Then this is what 2048. So this is also what leap year. So for leap year, no need to worry about that. So plus 28 or minus 28. So leap year. For example, 2032. It's a leap year. When it was used means in past they are asking. When it was used means minus 28. The answer is 2004. That's also what leap year. So 11 and 6 is for ordinary year. 28 is for leap year. Right. So in the next video we can see the remaining two types. That is type number 9, 8 and 9. So these two are different varieties. So from 1 to 7 having a reference date. For everywhere we will be using reference date. But 8 and 9 that won't have a reference date. So we can see in a separate video. The next video you can see type number 8 and 9. Okay. So share this video with your friend. Subscribe this channel. Thank you.